How to make a man think about you all the time. Most women don't realize this. Hello everyone, Kyle here, and I can't wait to discuss today's topic with you. Have you ever got your heart set on a certain someone? Are you ready to have him daydreaming about you nonstop? Well, you're in luck because you've landed in the right place. In this video, I'm going to spill the tea on some incredibly effective secrets that many ladies don't know about when it comes to capturing and keeping a man's attention. Sounds interesting, right? Now, I can't exactly offer a magic potion to ensure he's always got you on his mind, but I can share some top secret behaviors and actions that make you utterly irresistible and impossible to forget. So are you ready to shine brighter than everyone else and leave an impression that he simply can't shake off? Oh, and don't leave before we reach the end, because that's where the real gem awaits. I'll be unearthing a secret that'll help you build an instant, enduring bond with a man. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, please press that red button to subscribe to our channel and comment "I've subscribed" so we can thank you. Number 8. Forge bonds through shared experiences. Creating shared memories with a guy is like gifting him a permanent mental scrapbook of you. The experiences and emotions you cultivate together will linger in his mind long after the moments have passed. He'll link those warm, fuzzy feelings with you and yearn to relive them. Imagine, for an instance, you or your guy embark on a thrilling escapade together, like trying out a crazy new sport or exploring a theme park. He won't just remember the laughter and adrenaline. He'll remember who he shared it with, you. Every time he recalls that adventure, his mind will circle back to you and the incredible joy you bring into his life. What's more, sharing experiences isn't just about fun and games. It's a powerful way to build intimacy and trust. When you face a novel situation together, you have to rely on each other, helping you to understand and connect with each other on a deeper level. So ladies, if you're dreaming of a man who thinks about you constantly, start creating shared memories. They won't just be unforgettable moments. They'll also weave a bond that can stand the test of time. Number 7. Master the art of leaving him craving more. Now here's a little secret to capturing and holding on to his attention. Make him crave for more. If you can master this tantalizing art, he'll be hooked, constantly wondering what you're up to and yearning for the next time he'll see you. One way to keep him on his toes? Be a touch mysterious. Don't lay all your cards on the table at once. Tantalize him with tidbits about your life and personality. It'll get his curiosity buzzing and have him itching to discover more about you. Also, always leave your interactions on a high note. Say you're in the midst of an exhilarating conversation. Don't let it drag on until it loses its spark. Wrap it up while he's still sizzling, leaving him hungry for more. Same goes for dates. Call it a day before the magic fades into awkwardness or boredom. You want him eagerly anticipating the next rendezvous, not feeling satiated to the point of indifference. Oh, and don't be at his beck and call all the time. Have a life beyond him, filled with friends, hobbies, and self-care. Being constantly available can dim the allure and excitement, but when you're out living your life, he'll treasure those moments he gets to spend with you all the more. Number 6. Keep him guessing with a dash of unpredictability. Another enticing trick? Be unpredictable. Predictability can often lead to monotony, and boredom is a romance killer. But if you keep him guessing, he'll be captivated, eager to spend more time with you, just to unravel the mystery. Shaking up your routine is an excellent way to do this. If dinner on Fridays is your thing, why not switch it up with a spontaneous concert or new adventure? It'll keep him on edge, excited about what surprise you'll pull out of your hat next. Another way to add that element of surprise is by springing something unexpected on him. Surprise picnic, his favorite snack out of the blue, or a sweet note tucked into his wallet. Small gestures like these can go a long way in showing him he's on your mind and spicing up his day. And let's not forget conversations. Don't get stuck in a rut discussing the same old topics. Drop in a surprise discussion about your favorite books or films. It'll pique his interest and show him that you're more than just a one-trick pony. Remember, being unpredictable doesn't mean being chaotic or erratic. It's all about adding a dash of surprise and keeping him on his toes. Do that, not only will you have to add spark to your relationship, but he'll also be thinking about you all day, every day. Number 5. Embrace and flaunt your quirks. It's time to let your quirks take center stage. These unique, sometimes eccentric traits that make you, can set you apart from any other woman he's known. So how do you bring your quirks to the limelight? Just be unapologetically you. There's no need to downplay the things that make you special. If you find joy in belting out show tunes in the car or busting a move at the supermarket, don't hold back. Let him see you in all your quirky glory. It's your confidence and authenticity that he'll find utterly captivating. Your style can be another fun avenue to showcase your individuality. Dress in a way that mirrors your personality and taste. Got a wicked sense of humor? Sport a tee with a clever quip. A bold, eye-catching accessory can also make you stand out in the crowd. Displaying your quirks isn't just about being different. It's about showing that you're comfortable in your own skin, authentic and confident. By being unashamedly you, you're bound to forge a deep connection with him, ensuring you're always on his mind. Number 4. Ignite his interest with your passions. Another fantastic way to keep him hooked is by sharing your passions. When you're fired up about something, it radiates an irresistible energy. It shows that you're confident, interesting, and committed. And let's be honest, that's a magnetic combination. Introducing him to your world of passions can be an excellent bonding experience. If photography gets your heart racing, take him on a photo walk, showing him your favorite spots through your lens. If you love to cook, invite him over for a cozy dinner, sharing your cherished recipes. By inviting him into your world, you're not only creating a stronger bond, but also demonstrating your dedication, confidence, and intriguing nature. Concentrating on your passions can make you irresistibly attractive, can boost your confidence, add to your charm, and deepen your connection. When you share your world with him, you're likely to find a permanent spot in his thoughts. So dive into what makes you happy and bring him along. It could be a game changer in the relationship, keeping him fascinated and always eager for more. Number 3. Harness the power of scent. Here's an intriguing tip that might not immediately spring to mind, but it's a game changer. Harnessing the power of scent. Believe it or not, our sense of smell has a profound connection with memory and emotion, which means the right fragrance can etch you deep into his mind. So how do you take advantage of this? One of the best ways is to utilize a trick is to find a signature scent. Choose a fragrance that truly encapsulates you, your personality, your style. As you consistently wear it, he'll begin associating that intoxicating aroma with you, making you unforgettable even when you're not around. Don't be afraid to mix it up, too. Experimenting with different scents and combinations can keep him curious and fascinated. It's also a fun way to express your unique sense of style. But don't just limit the scent to a perfume. Make it a part of your daily routine. Opt for scented body washes, creams, or even aromatic candles. Surrounding yourself with a scent he enjoys can deepen his positive association with you, ensuring you're always on his mind. Number 2. Create unforgettable memories with surprises. Now, who doesn't love a good surprise? Especially when it comes with an exciting new experience. Giving him an unexpected adventure can engrave some truly beautiful memories in his mind that he'll associate with you. The trick here is to think outside the box. Try to plan something he's never done before, but you know he'll enjoy. It could be anything from a hot air balloon ride, a cooking class, or even a weekend getaway to a city he's always wanted to explore. The key is to make it exciting, enjoyable, and memorable. To make the surprise even more special, take care of all the details in advance. Book the necessary tickets, make the reservations, and ensure everything is ready for a smooth, worry-free adventure. He'll appreciate being able to just relax and soak in the experience. And remember, creativity is your best friend here. Consider planning a scavenger hunt leading to a surprise location, or setting up a romantic picnic in the picturesque spot. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something he'll enjoy and remember. After all, these are the memories that will keep you on his mind. Number 1. Share the gift of laughter. The key to creating a magical bond that will keep you on his mind? A shared laugh. When you laugh together, it's like an invisible thread that weaves you closer, creating a comfort zone where he can truly let his guard down. So how do you find these laugh-out-loud moments? It's all about finding common ground. Maybe it's a shared sense of humor, or a silly situation that has both of you giggling. It doesn't matter what sparks the laughter, as long as you're enjoying each other's company and finding joy in the moment. Remember, it's all about being yourself and going with the flow. The best moments often happen when you're not trying too hard or overanalyzing everything. So just kick back, relax, and let the conversation unfold naturally. When it comes down to it, making a man think about you constantly is all about forging a genuine connection and creating positive, unforgettable experiences. And the secret ingredient here? It's being authentically you. Never try to morph into someone you're not just to impress him. Focus on being true to yourself because authenticity breeds trust and respect, the cornerstones of a strong bond. So next time you're racking your brains on how to make him think about you all the time, give these strategies a whirl and see how they work for you. Enjoyed our video? Fantastic! We've got 2 more gems lined up for you, so be sure to check out either of these next.